Today we compare the $1,499 Roborock flagship with the $399 MOVA V10 Pro Ultra. Which robot vacuum gives better value? Let's find out. Check the latest prices and deals for both robot vacuums. Links are in the description below.
But oh my, something set ablaze when we said goodbye. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind that ancient history? Oh, ancient history. Coming back to me, my heart is hung up on what used to be. Time moves on and then one day ancient history. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind back, baby? You and me, what a shame.
The Roborock delivers premium cleaning performance with advanced smart features, but it comes with a much higher price tag.
But oh my, something set ablaze when we said goodbye. Give me just a little bit of time back, baby. Can't you see? Couldn't we just go rewind that ancient history?
After comparing both, the MOVA P10 Pro Ultra offers amazing value for the price, while Roborock remains the premium choice.